dear brothers and sisters, and on behalf of the community of the Manila Cathedral, I would like to welcome you and welcome the image of the Miraculous Medal, Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal, once more to the Mother Church. And I thank Father Choi for again bringing to the Manila Cathedral the image. You know the story of the Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal more than I do. You being part of the Miraculous Medal Apostolate. And we know that in 1830, the lady, Our Lady, began appearing to Saint Catherine Labouré. And from the apparitions, from the images that she saw, Saint Catherine designed the Medal of Our Lady. My understanding was it was not known as Miraculous Medal at the beginning. It was just called Our Lady's Medal. But later on, those who are devoted to Our Lady's Medal, those who started wearing the medal, experience miracles in their lives. The things that they prayed for, the things that they asked the Lord through the intercession of Mary were granted to them. And that is why, through the years, later on, this medal became Our Lady's Miraculous Medal. And until now, you and I believe that many things have happened, many miracles have been granted because of the intercession of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. But my question is this: what is a miracle? What is the nature of a miracle? How do we define miracle? Let me suggest one word: change. Change. Pagbabago. Look at the many miracles Jesus did during His lifetime here on earth. Water changed into wine. Dead person becoming alive again. Sick person getting cured and becoming well again. Turbulent sea, turbulent storm being pacified. Miracles are change or changes. But miracles should not only happen outside of us. Rain suddenly stopping because the image of Our Lady is coming out of the church. Storms or typhoons not passing our area because we prayed for miracle. Those miracles are valid. But miracles do not happen only outside of us. Miracles should also happen from within. And we have seen also people changing because of the intercession of Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Addict becoming sober. Unfaithful husband or wife becoming faithful. Sinner going to confession and being converted to grace again. That is the nature of miracle. Change. And that is why, my dear brothers and sisters, as we gather tonight to honor Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal, we must ask ourselves, what changes have happened in my life because of my devotion to the Miraculous Medal? Because we should not be looking at others only as changing people. We ourselves must experience the change within. Napagmilagruhan na ba kayo ng Diyos sa pamamagitan ng medalya milagrosa? Ano ang nagbago sa atin? Ano ang nabago ng medalya milagrosa sa ating buhay? Baka wala. Sana yung mga tsismoso sa atin, unti-unting nababawasan sa pagiging tsismoso at tsismosa. That is a miracle. Sana yung mga naninira sa atin, kuminsan sa ating samahan, sa isang organisasyon, no? Nagsisiraan. Sana magbago yon. And that will be a miracle. Sana tayo na dati ay walang pakialam, sarili lamang ang ating iniisip, sarili lamang natin ay pinagdarasal natin, sana namumulat tayo sa pangangailangan ng ating kapwa. That will be a miracle. Sana yung dating hindi aktibo sa simbahan ay nagiging mas aktibo at napapalapit sa simbahan. That is a miracle. We are grateful for the miracles that happen outside of us. We should also be praying for miracles to happen within. Bishop Sok once said, true devotion is imitation. Ang tunay daw na debosyon ay paggaya. Ibig sabihin, kung ang debosyon natin ay naghahatid sa atin sa mas malalim na paggaya sa mga katangian ng mahal na Birhen, then that is true devotion. Because some people, some devotees, are just contented with wearing scapulars, wearing medals, wearing t-shirts with printed Immaculate Conception or Mary Immaculate. And that's all. That is not enough. True devotion should bring about imitation in us. Imitating the virtues of the Blessed Mother, like obedience, like humility, like charity. Those will be the expressions of true devotion. You know, you and I know that we have so many needs that we bring to the feet of the Blessed Mother. I hope one of those needs will be Immaculate Mary, Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Let me imitate you in your virtues. That will be a miracle. Amen.